In this video, I'll show you how to copy a Figma file to another Figma account. Start by opening the file you want to transfer in your current Figma account. Make sure the design is ready before sharing or copying it. Next, click on the Share button in the top right corner. In the Sharing panel, enter the email address of the other Figma account you want to send the file to. Set the permission to Can View or Can Edit depending on what access you want to give. Then click Send Invite. Now, switch to the other Figma account and open the shared file from the email or workspace. Once the file is open, copy the elements of the file by pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Next is paste it to the other file's canvas. The file will now belong to the other account, and you can edit it independently. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Figma file to another Figma account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.